Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and this is the 4th week of the Trick or Treat Treasure Team collaboration. This week we are concentrating on boxes, bags, and containers to give you an idea of working through your crafty stash. So we did do a couple of weeks already that we focused the first week on cards, the second on mini albums or folios, and then the third week was junk journals, and then here we are at our final week. So make sure you check out the playlist that was put together for all of the collaborators I've listed below for each of the weeks. You can have a really good time going through and just playing through that playlist. So I said before that I had made a couple of these claw machines that are a die from Scrap Diva Designs, and I did go ahead and make one that is Halloween theme here. So you can see that I used the die, I used some paper from my stash. I put the claw machine here is the top. I decorated with a little ball that I received in a swap. There is the little claw, and I also put in here, I just hung in here, this little light. So you can see it's just battery operated, and it just lays down in there over the edge, and that way when I put the top on, it has a light inside. But I thought this was super cute for a gift. We have little things, odds and ends inside, like stickers and cabochons in here. I had to dig in here to get them all out, but you get the idea. So I thought that was super cute. I love the way it turned out. I really just want to put it on my shelf. But I did use some of the what do you call this, diamond dots on the side. These are actually the larger ones that I received, the sprinkles from Buttons Galore and More. And then I have the aluminum, basically the foil backed sheets here that I use as die cuts. Here is a little bat that I received in a swap, and then I just hot glued beads onto the bottom. So you can see that. I used some foam to make this more dimensional, and a little spider from a prior swap as well. But I just thought that that was just so cute. That's the back. Like I said, I really like it. I like it so much I decided to make a few more. I know this is not Halloween, but I am going to a crafty retreat next weekend, and it's Toy Story themed. So I picked up some of these little like shrink-it-ink things from online, and then I pulled out my Doodlebug little paper frills and decorated this up. Look at this little tiny thing, it's so cute. This is just the toothpick stand, and this is how I decorated this one, of course, again with the wooden beads on the bottom, and then the top comes off like this, and I went ahead and made some little bows, put them on paper clips, and just thought that that was stinking cute. Look at these. Isn't it adorable? I thought it's super adorable. So that is my Toy Story themed one. You can of course do that. Wouldn't that be fun for like a birthday? Put little hair ties or something like that in it for a little girl. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so that is my box. Then I made some little goodies for the kids. These are just very quick to do. Double-sided paper is what I use, the Doodlebug from my stash, and I cut them out into strips of paper. They are like so, and the paper measures, let's see, yeah, I used a 6x6 pad for this, so it measures 6 inches in length and then 2 inches wide, and I just put it in my tag punch on both ends, and then went ahead and scored it as well, so that I have this little strip in the middle that I can put some double-sided tape and put a little nugget on there, put some double-sided tape, and put a second nugget right on top, just like that. And then I just pull it together and stick a little piece of, what is this called? Ribbon right through it. And then I went ahead and stamped. I used some of my newer stamps that I got this year from Scrap Diva. So I went ahead and stamped these out and cut them out. They came with dies. Isn't that cool? And I just think that they're so stinking cute. Aren't they cute? So yeah, so these are little boos. So it's a play on a bag because it's not a bag, but you can see that it's very quick to put together, you can imagine. And I just thought that was adorable. Okay, next thing is container. So I did do a box swap. This is an embellishment box swap for Halloween, and I pulled out some of this crime scene tape that I've had in my Halloween decorations for a long time and had a lot of it, so I said, why not use it? I used some paper straws here. I hot glued these. I made a banner. This is a quick thing that I have been doing. I have a little mini banner punch, and so when I have little scraps of paper, I just punch it out. So I dug through my little drawer, look at these, of all these banners, and picked out enough to make multiples of these little Halloween banners. Of course, put it on some twine here, tie the ends in knots, hot glued this down, and then these are just little skelly hands from the Dollar Tree. Put some little pom-pom trim around it like it is a cuff, you know. And then this opens up. I went ahead and cut a piece that would fit inside of this box from a Country Craft Creations collection that I had some leftovers of. And then I used my dies and my stamps and just made little things that I could put in this box to gift. So I have some little gravestones, some little words like witch and wizard. I even have some of my clay bits that I made. Well, they're not clay, they're paper mache bits there. Okay. Here are some odds and ends. There's some little things in here, buttons, cabochons, beads, that kind of thing. There's another little banner and some ribbon. So isn't that cool? All right, that is my container. So I hope that you have enjoyed seeing this week 4, and I hope that you have started playing along. There is still plenty of time to before Halloween, right? So get started with your Halloween crafting, and make sure you share using the hashtag Trick or Treat Treasures, and I look forward to seeing you back here sometime soon. Until next time, everyone, happy crafting you all. Goodbye.